Morning. It's the 6th of July and we're here in the wildflower meadow as a part of the Baytrees Bee Project, and we've come early this morning because it's just really, it's really sunny and it's really good light, and we're trying to film as many different bumblebees and other pollinating insects that are coming here as possible. We've printed this off, which tells us about the 6 most common British bumblebees and some other bumblebees, so we can try and identify what sort of bees we've got here, because we don't really know about it. We're trying to learn. Well, as you can see, there's loads of flowers here. We don't actually know what some of them are, but we've got cornflowers and poppies about to open up, and then we've got already these yellow ones, these lovely little daisies, and then these lovely purple things which the bees seem to really like, and a new purple one that's just opened there. Don't know what they're called. Amazing to think that we planted this on the 18th of April and it's now only 3 months ago, and you could have this sort of thing all over the city. An interesting fact about bumblebees is, which I've just been reading about in this book, sometimes if you plant a load of plants for bumblebees, they seem to ignore some of them and only go for certain flowers, and apparently that's because they only live about 4 weeks. Each bumblebee lives about 4 weeks, and so they have to learn how to get into each individual flower. There's a different technique depending on the shape of the flower. So when they've learned how to get into maybe 1 or 2, it's more efficient for them to just go for that flower. So that's why it's good for bumblebees to have like quite a big area with all the same a few plants all the same, and then another bit all the same, and then they'll be able to, I suppose, get the most food in the shortest time. Interesting. Now, the co-op have got a thing at the moment going on called Plan B, which is about encouraging wildflower meadows, encouraging anything that helps the bee populations across the country. They're giving away wildflower seeds, and there's all sorts of things that they're doing to help people encourage bees into their gardens, or to get sort of pieces of land made over to wildflower meadows like this. So go and have a look on their website, and anyone can join in. You don't have to have a garden, you can just join in with something in your neighbourhood.